Here we go. We have a question second largest. So you have given an array of positive integers and we need to return the second largest element from the array. If the second largest element does not exist, we need to return -1. Note here is the second largest element should not be equal to the largest element. So in this case, the largest element is 35, second largest element is 34, and in this case largest element is 10. We have another 10, but the second largest element should not be equal to the largest element, so the answer in this case is 5. In this case largest element is 10, we cannot consider this as second largest, also this. So if no second largest element exists, we need to return -1. So let's build the approach. So first we have largest element. Initially we have -1, and second largest. This is largest. This is largest -1, and then we have second largest is equal to -1. So first we have 5. I will initialize. This is my largest element because largest element initially is not containing any value. Then we have 6. This will become 6, and here we have 5. Next we have 4. It is not equal to largest. It is not equal to second largest also. Next we have 5. It is not equal to largest and not equal to not greater than largest and not greater than second largest. Then we have 3, same condition. Then we have 1, same condition. Then we have 5, same condition. Then we have 3, same condition. Suppose we got 6. So in this case it is not greater than this value, largest value, but it is greater than second largest value, but this 6 is also equal to largest, so we cannot consider 6, we have to take 5. So the answer for this case is 5. So let's code this. Code is very simple. We have second largest and largest element. We have a simple for loop. If the element is greater than largest, we need to first consider second largest element by taking the value from largest, and largest value will be ith value. Else if the current value, if it is greater than second largest, but the value should not be equal to the largest value, so we just need to initialize second largest value, and the current value will be second largest, so return second largest. So let's submit this, and let's talk about time and space complexity. It is very clear. The time complexity is order of n, space complexity is constant. And thank you all for watching.